Hey guys, this is Applied Weapons Tech. Wanted to do a quick overview on the new Bodacious scales that we just released. These are part of the Agent series, so it does have the clip side liner delete. What I really wanted to show you guys was the new surface milling that we're going to start doing, or at least try. We wanted to make it standard on this, see how it was received, but we've gotten a ton of requests to do something more aggressive than our kind of standard agent milling that we've been doing since the beginning. So we decided to go ahead and put it on this particular knife to start with, but it's very, very grippy, but not so aggressive that I think it'll tear up like a pocket. So pretty excited about this milling. We also took this and contoured the scale, which is a little bit of a departure from the other Agent series stuff. Still has a lot of the aggressive chamfering, and we did change the outer profile of geometry slightly, and you can actually catch the top of the blade here in front flip if you wanted to. These are available at appliedweaponstech.com, and I'll drop a link down in the description. Thanks.